Hi, my name's Steve with SBI, manufacturers of DURACLUTCH and DURATRACKS. Today we're going to be talking about the DURACLUTCH R-Series. So the three biggest things that you get when you purchase the R-Series clutch was smoothness, responsiveness, and durability. The smoothness really comes from the overall clutching package, the clutching calibration. We were able to use our S-Series clutch as a guide. That clutch is ultra smooth, very smooth engagement. It has great response and it's durable. So we wanted to achieve that with this R-Series. One thing neat about the team tied secondary is these sheaves are tied together. So when you go to take off, it's one motion. You're not waiting for another one to catch up. Some other smoothness is having that lower engagement and being able to grab the belt. We spec'd out a belt, the width, the length, and the compound so that when it's going to make that initial grab, it's all working together as a package to give you that ultra smooth start. So a couple things with the R-Series that makes it more responsive than a traditional clutch. It's lightweight, less moving parts than a traditional style clutch. Also, it has the roller technology inside. As the clutch becomes compressed, it pulls harder. It's harder for it to kind of pull or lighter for it to pull. So I spent hours riding on our personal property at my house, which we have a motocross track on. When you're doing track testing repetitively over and over, and if you're pushing it and you're feeling for something to break, like this thing's gonna break, it's gonna break. But after doing this hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of laps, never once did I have it fade. It never slipped or feel like it was going to fail on me. Part of the durability testing was riding through terrain parks and riding vigorous trails and riding in environments where our customers would expect our clutches to perform at the best through thousands of miles of testing. It was important to make sure that we were putting on amount of miles as the customer's expectations and doing an analysis every so many hundreds and thousands of miles. So with the DURACLUTCH R-Series, one thing that you're getting with the clutch package is not only the primary, secondary, and belt, but you're getting a package that is very well calibrated for all riding environments, whether you're riding in tar, dirt, water, rocks, sand. The overall package of it is very well calibrated. One of the benefits to the DURACLUTCH R-Series is the sealed containment. The sealed design keeps dirt and dust away from the internal rollers. So when you purchase the DURACLUTCH kit, you're getting the primary clutch, team tied secondary, premium MBL belt, and belt removal tool. Our DURACLUTCH R-Series warranty is industry leading for 1 year from the date of purchase on the primary, secondary, and belt. To purchase the DURACLUTCH R-Series, please visit the website duraclutch.com. We have several models available now, and we're continuing to add more.